Welcome to Wild School 3D. The bald eagle, symbol of freedom and strength, soars proudly above America's endless skies, majestic and untamed. Locked in nature's eternal duel, the eagle strikes from above as the serpent fights fiercely for survival. Life begins high above the forest as tiny eaglets hatch into a world of wind and wonder. Built from sticks and branches, the eagle's nest is a fortress of family life high above earth. With eyesight 8 times sharper than humans, the eagle sees every ripple, every movement from impossible heights. Feathers protect, insulate, and define beauty, each one a masterpiece of evolution's engineering. Swift as lightning, the bald eagle dives, talons slicing the water. Precision, power, perfection in motion. Triumphant and strong, the eagle lifts its shimmering prize, a perfect hunter in balance with nature. When storms rage, the eagle faces the wind head-on, rising higher as others seek shelter. In a breathtaking dance of devotion, bald eagles seal love in the skies through daring acrobatic flight. Together they weave strength and care, an engineering wonder that shelters generations of eagles. A mother's wings are warmth, courage, and life, shielding fragile hopes from the cold of the world. Tiny beaks cry for food, and with every meal, strength and spirit begin to grow. With courage in their wings, young eagles leap toward the sky. Fear meets freedom. Each powerful beat of its wings writes a new chapter in the story of the sky. Nature's cycle of life continues. Each meal sustains the hunter and honors the balance of the wild. Bold and fearless, the bald eagle guards its realm, the sky its kingdom and weapon alike. From icy peaks to coastal cliffs, the eagle adapts with grace to every realm of nature. 7 feet of wingspan, 6 kilograms of muscle, power and precision balanced perfectly by nature. With up to 30 years in the wild, the eagle's life is one of endurance and wisdom. Science reveals nature's design, bones built for lift, vision honed for distance, instincts tuned for survival. Once endangered, now protected, the bald eagle's comeback tells a story of hope, care, and human effort. In storms and battles alike, survival favors the brave. The eagle thrives where fear cannot fly. More than a bird, it's a nation's heart, a symbol of liberty shining across generations. Eagles can swim, cry, and even play. Their world mixes power, curiosity, and surprising gentleness. When day ends, even the king of the sky dreams beneath the quiet watch of the stars. Majestic, eternal, and free, the bald eagle remains nature's proudest emblem, guardian of the endless sky. If you liked learning with us today, don't forget to click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Wild School 3D for more amazing animal adventures.